I was on a travel abroad for some days in Easter, and now I'm home again. I turned all the systems off, so now I'm going to turn on everything so you can see how it's done properly. You can see we've got no power here. There's nothing, computer is turned off, everything is turned off. And that little LED there shows that the ringing bell for a door is okay. The fuses are out, so the light doesn't work. So let's go in these cabinets and see what we can do. Sadly, it is a little bit dark. Let's open up this one. And I will see if the backup 12-volt supply is okay. It's just a battery. I just connected it in. And you can see here that some LEDs light up. And on the panel here you can see that the microcontrollers got their supply and the regulator. And with this controlling I/O board that works. And there you can see the battery. And now I'm going to unplug it. And everything turned off. So now we know that's working. And now I'm going to try the 24 volt. There is small batteries here. That was not so much that happened. Just these two lights lighted up. It was a power in controller. It's just some time relays. And on the panel here you can see that the time relay turned on. That's for the turning on of the inverter in a power cut. So now we know that these things are working. Just disconnected that. And let's go to the consumer unit and put the fuses in. So yes, here's the consumer unit. And you can see that our three phases are out. We got the L1 here, L2, L3. I want to plug them in. So now they are plugged in, 16 amp each. And now we got light here. And I'm going to turn on the UPS unit, or all the outputs or sockets that goes on the emergency power. This is a switch here, the bypass. Now the computers are turning on. So let's turn on the computer. Works good. I often connect it up to the bypass. If something happens, I don't want the computer to turn on and off a lot of times because it can damage it. And now we can go to turn on the main power unit. I have already tested all of these RCDs and they are working quite good. I'm turning on the system by flipping this maneuvering switch up here. And those time relays over there should begin to click, and turning on the contactors. Here we go. Power supply turned on. And here you can see that the power is looking good. And same with that one. And now it's time for emergency power. We got one UPS here. I'll turn that on. Now we have the UPS active. But we still need some inverter, power to inverter. That's done by these batteries here. We've got these fuses here. We've got a 10 amp and a 52, I think. No, it's a 63 amp and a 10 amp for these big batteries. Now we got that powered here, and that's the emergency battery, the small one that we tested. And these are large batteries, the 4 times 12 volt. That's 48 volt. That's 4S4P. That's 4 12 volt batteries in series and 4 in parallel. These are small batteries on the top here. And we got this 24 volt emergency power that we need to turn on. This is a little cable clip here. Plug it in, and we got this 48 volt. Now I have 48 volt here, and everything looks good. Now we have one single thing to do. Let's connect the UPS loads to the system. Now everything works as it should. Hope you found this video interesting, and thanks for watching.